Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, error applying update to JRE, Java validation failed with exit code 1, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to close out Hytale, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. You're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, go into properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 8.8.4.4, click OK. Then after that, scroll down, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, click OK again. And now what you're going to do is you're going to close out this, and you're going to set your date and time correctly with the internet. So if your date and time is set incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, right here date and time. And now what you're going to do is you're going to set your time zone first. And once you're done setting the time zone, now what you're going to do is you're going to click set time automatically, and then come here and click on sync now. Wait for it to sync. Once it's synced, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to launch the Hytale launcher, but you're going to launch it with the administrator rights. So you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes on here. And now you can go ahead and update your game, and you'll see that your game will now update correctly and you will be able to enjoy playing Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.